Hi everyone! So today I'm finally back with a new homemade squishy update, and just before I get into the squishies, I wanted to let you guys know that I do post a lot more in my Instagram, which is just KawaiiPillows, so definitely go follow that if you want to see more videos, and that'll be linked down below. So yeah, now I'm just gonna get into the squishies. So first of all, I made this jumbo machine squishy. And this one is really soft and super slow rising as well. And then here is what the back of the squishy looks like, and I actually did forget to add the tail, but I do have all the stripes and everything. So the next squishy that I made was this Gudetama Pizza, and it just has a super cute Gudetama face and a bunch of pepperoni slices. And this one is also pretty slow rising. And then here is the back. Then I made this marshmallow on a stick, and I really like how this one turned out. So basically it's just a cute little marshmallow with a bunch of chocolate sauce and sprinkles. And originally this was just a plain marshmallow, but I went ahead and asked you guys what you wanted me to add to it on Instagram, and you guys said chocolate sauce and sprinkles. Next up, I made this adorable little dancing star, and I think the face on this is super cute. And I also asked you guys on Instagram what you wanted me to name this guy, so I finally decided on the name Stanley. So this is Stanley the star. So next up, I made this little French toast, and I added a little beret as well as a mustache. So here is just what it looks like. And this one is pretty slow rising, but it's also pretty dense as well. Next up, I made this soft serve squishy, and it's just strawberry soft serve and vanilla soft serve in a cone. And this one is really slow rising, as you can tell. Next up, I made this Mother Garden inspired donut, and this is the cat donut. And this one actually turned out pretty slow rising. And then here is what the bottom of the donut looks like. Then I made this watermelon slice, and I really love the face on this one. I think it looks super cute. And yeah, it just has a bunch of seeds on it. By the way, a lot of you guys have been asking for some tutorials, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I have filmed a few, so those will hopefully be uploaded pretty soon. Next, I made this super tiny breado donut, and this one is the blueberry flower design. So this squishy isn't that slow rising, but it's still really soft, and I think it's super cute. I made this Pretty Mario Penguin squishy, and this one is the mini version, and it is the blue design. Okay, so here's the squishy outside of packaging. And last but not least, I made this egg toast, and the toast itself is actually a real squishy, but I made the egg. And this squishy is actually pretty slow rising considering how thin it is. So that's everything in today's homemade squishy update. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know which squishy was your favorite. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!